What's going on, YouTube? I think I wanted to do a little format change, make it a little more interesting. And I think what I'll do is, one, go over this product that I just picked up from Extreme Audio out here in Richmond, Virginia. I bought this. They didn't send this to me, but I bought this. Now I'm going to be putting this on my K1600B. And I wanted to go over concealed carry. I've got a SIG Sauer P365 X-Macro with a EPS carry sight. First and foremost, I have no magazine in here. My weapon is safe. So, always practice safety. Always remember rule number one. Guns are always loaded, but these are one of my carry guns that I carry on travel when I'm riding throughout the Mid-Atlantic regions, going to the Smokies and the Blue Ridge Parkway. It's a very light handgun. Trigger's very light also, in my opinion. Great reset. And the EPS carry has solar and also battery. This actually has a green dot on it, and I have an astigmatism, just the slightest astigmatism, and it does help out. I was able to use red dots, and those used to work good, but these 50-plus-year-old eyes are starting to take a toll. So I highly recommend SIG Sauer P365 X-Macro. It's a very nice light carry pistol and very concealable. So yeah, great. If you're interested in these, you can go to Salty Pirate Tactical. He's out in Moyock, North Carolina. I'll leave the contact information over here for you guys. Best deals in town. Just let them know I sent you, and enjoy. Let's get with the Bike2Play, what this product is. So as you guys know, the K1600Bs don't have CarPlay. So what I did is I went looking around online and found this puppy here. Like I said, the guys out at Extreme Audio, you know, I ordered it online, and man, they sent it overnight. But then again, I live really close, so I'm in the North Carolina area, and they're in the Richmond, Virginia area. But for the price, it's pretty good, I think. This is a mountable display. I think it's a 5-inch display. It has two different ways you can hook this up. One through the USB on the inside the phone holder in the bike, and you can hardwire this as well. I think I'm gonna hardwire it. That way I still have the USB free for if I want to charge inside there, if I want to use that plug to charge anything. So yeah, here we go. Bike2Play from Extreme Audio, Motorrad Audio in Richmond, Virginia. All right, so for this install, you're gonna need a Torx head to get the screen off. Now, I decided to go ahead and hardwire this. You know, from what they were saying online is that if you use the USB that's down in here, or the mini, or the USB-C here, and the more you take it out, I guess the more you'll wear it out. Especially that you got to close this door. You know, you get the risk of having to squeeze this cable over time. That's really up to you guys. I don't plan on, like I said, removing this. And if I do, I'll have it hardwired. So, like I said, I don't plan on pulling it off as much. So I decided to go ahead and hardwire it. And here's the hardwire kit that they give you. It should be pretty easy. So we'll start by removing this guy. And little video magic and fast forward. Alright, now that we got the screen off, if you look down in here, we're gonna have to get these plugs off here. I say get yourself a little rag so you don't beat up your screen. Excuse me. Just remember which way this goes in, because I think you can put this in the other way, any way in. The other way in, you might think it's in, but what'll happen is the display will come up weird from what I've been seeing online. So it's easy. Oh yeah, this is where I mounted my Gimmick heated controller. So you want to just take this guy here and run it in line with this guy. That's in. We probably want to tie this up with some zip ties. Probably tied up right here.
Say it louder, say it louder. Feel the moment, feel the power. Bring the animal back to life. Bring the energy one more time. If you feel like letting go, you can take control. You can turn this all to something beautiful where you feel.
All right, let's give it a look. See what this thing looks like.
Gets you down, down, down. Gets you down, down, down. Say it louder, say it louder. Feel the moment, feel the power. Bring the animal back to life. Bring the energy one more time.
Not bad. Probably best to put the rest of that cable in there, because if you want to pull this off, you're gonna have to unscrew this. And which is really nice about the magnetic mount, because if you go somewhere, you can take this off and bring it with you in the hotel or whatever you want to do.
Say it louder, say it louder.
So all we got to do is buckle it back up,
You're the question, you're the answer.
mount that,
Bring the animal back to
and
life.
Bluetooth hook it up and see what
Bring
happens.
the energy one more time. If you feel like letting go, you can take control. You can turn this all to something beautiful where you feel life gets you down, 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 gets you down, down, down.
All right, so done with the install. It was quick, took about 10 minutes. Easy. Look, now we got CarPlay. Makes it so much easier. You would think BMW put the CarPlay embedded, but just like Harley, at least on the older bikes, they didn't do that. So it's really easy. Just hit the CarPlay, set it up, phone should pair up with this guy. And that's it, man. It shows everything. Driving to Teddy Morris. I'm not going to Teddy Morris. Well, I'd love to though. That's pretty much it. View from back here. Get closer. Got Waze, YouTube Music. So you got all the features here. And you know, for less than $300, not bad. Highly recommend. Motorrad Audio or Extreme Audio. They'll hook you up. Till next time, I'm out.